I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Stabilitrak on a Chevy Equinox. First, we'll identify the common reasons this system might malfunction. Then, I'll guide you through some straightforward diagnostic steps you can do yourself. Finally, we'll cover several easy solutions to get your Stabilitrak working correctly again, helping you maintain vehicle stability and safety. When your Stabilitrak light comes on, begin by checking your dashboard for other warning indicators, which can offer clues. Next, visually inspect all four wheel speed sensors for any visible damage or accumulated dirt, as these are crucial for the system. Also, ensure your steering angle sensor is functioning correctly, as it provides vital information about your steering input. A quick fix often involves disconnecting your battery for about 15 minutes to reset the vehicle's computer system. Always ensure your tire pressure is at the manufacturer's recommended level, usually around 35 psi, as incorrect pressure can trigger warnings. Finally, gently clean any dirty wheel speed sensors with a soft cloth to remove debris that might be interfering with their readings. If these basic steps don't resolve your Stabilitrak issue, it's wise to seek professional diagnosis from a certified mechanic. They have specialized tools to pinpoint more complex electrical or mechanical faults. Regular maintenance, like checking your brake fluid levels and condition, also contributes to overall system health. And speaking of reading, if you love to read anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.